Today is the best day. It's new shoes day, the best time of the year. So we're going to unbox my new Hoka Clifton 10s together. And I replace my shoes on a regular basis. I'm a fitness instructor, so I always have indoor shoes and I have outdoor shoes, and I'm replacing those to make sure that the support and the cushioning is going to be protecting and supporting my feet. So let's go ahead and open these up and have a look. So guidelines for when to replace shoes: every 480 to 800 kilometers, which in miles is 300 to 500 miles. So that might feel like, well, how do I know? Like, unless you have a tracking watch and you only wear your runners to do a certain walk and you're always tracking it, how else will you really know when to replace? I like to estimate it at about once a year. So, and there's a lot of other people who also say, once a year is about a good time to replace your running shoes. And I usually have one or two pairs that are indoor for my fitness, my YouTube videos, my fitness classes. And then I'll have one or two pairs that are my outdoor because I love walking. I'm a dog owner. I go for lots of walks. I walk in trails. And I also love running, and currently I'm doing some run intervals. So when I go for a walk, I might add some 30-second run intervals or 45-second or 1 minute run intervals just to boost my cardio. All right, so here we go. Exciting, exciting. I think this is going to be a really pretty color combo. I went with the really pink sole and light blue top. So that is beautiful. Way to go, Hoka. My favorite runners, Hoka Cliftons. These really work for my feet, and I do get the wide width. I have issues with neuromas of my toes, so the wide width and a custom insole works for me. All right, let's just take things out, have a better look. Yeah, these are looking great. Other shoe. Super happy. I'll pop these on. Speaking of the run intervals, if you don't already know, I have a book that's called Walker to 30-Minute Runner, and I will link it in the top comment and in my description below this video. A few years ago, I led a beginner running clinic that was called Walker to 30-Minute Runner, and the way that we went through the 8-week program is gradually adding run intervals. So we started by having a 30-minute walk, and then every 5 minutes we would add 30 seconds of running and just add on to the run intervals. So if this is your year to add some running intervals, boost your cardio, check out my book. I would love it if you did. All right, let's check these out. I'm super happy with these. As always, these ones really work for me. What I always say is that what works for me won't necessarily work for you, or what works for your friend, someone in your family. We all have really different needs and really different feet. So if you don't know which shoes work for you, go to a running store or a store that really specializes in athletic shoes and try on a bunch of pairs. Because again, what works for one person doesn't necessarily work for the other person. I'm really happy that these just feel wonderful immediately on my feet. Sometimes, even though you're buying the same model year after year, they might change things slightly, but these feel great. I think these pink soles are really cute. The other comment I like to make about running shoes is invest in running shoes before your outfit, before a smartwatch, other things, even your props like dumbbells and things like that. Most important is to have happy feet. So if our feet are comfortable and well supported, we can keep working out, and then we can add on from there. You can wear whatever comfortable clothes you already have, but get a good pair, invest in your running shoes. So don't look for sales. Don't be, swayed by, if you do want pink, but don't just buy something because it's pink. Buy it because it works for you. And let me know about your running shoe experience. Do you get as excited as I do? And what brands, what models do you like? What do you look for in running shoes? I mentioned that I have dealt with neuromas, which happily are doing great. Neuromas in my toes. And if you have that issue and are looking for some exercises and stretches, I have a video that you can check out that I made a few years ago, and still really relevant, still things that I do. Take good care. I'll see you again soon.